Good morning, student. The same chapter, straight line exercise 10.3. First thing, now yesterday I discussed only there are 5 forms of the equation of the line. Now the one equation of line in point slope form. So what is the equation of line in point slope form? Y minus y1 equals to mx minus x1. That means point and slope are given. Now second thing, what is the equation of line in slope intersect form? That is the y equals to mx plus c. Now the third form, what is the equation of line in 2-point form? Y minus y1 equals to y2 minus y1 upon x2 minus x1 into x minus x1. That is the third form, is the equation of line in intersect form, that is x upon a plus y upon b equals to 1. And what are the equation of line in normal form? That is x cos theta plus y sin theta equals to p. But today is the last question of this exercise, question number 18. Now first thing is read the question. P is the length of perpendicular from the origin. P is the length of perpendicular from the origin. This is y axis, this is x axis, and this is line. And now the P, this is the origin 0, 0, and now the P is the length of perpendicular from the origin to the line. This is line AB. And then this is OP is length of perpendicular is given P, and whose intercept on axis A and B. Let is length now given is A is the intercept on x axis and B is the intercept on y axis. So what are the coordinate of A point? A comma 0. On x axis y coordinate is 0, on y axis x coordinate 0. And now the proving part, now to show that 1 upon p square equals to 1 upon a square plus 1 upon p square. Look here, it's a very simple question. First thing is the intercept A and B are given. So then let equation of the line is x upon a plus y upon b equals to 1. Right? That means x upon a plus y upon b minus 1 equals to 0. This is equation first. And according to question is a small p is the length of perpendicular from origin to the line. That means now length of perpendicular from origin 0, 0 to the line first. So what is the formula of distance formula? A x1 plus b y1 plus c upon under root a square plus b square and whole mod. Then apply this formula. Distance d is given small p. This is line ax1. What is the meaning of ax1? This is x1 and this is y1. But a, that is the coefficient of x, is a 1 upon a. Now x is x1, x1 is 0, plus 1 upon b, y1 is 0, and minus 1 upon whole mod under root a square plus b square. That means coefficient of x, square of coefficient of x, that is the 1 upon a square, and square of the coefficient of b, 1 upon b square. First term is 0, second term is 0, left is minus 1, but my negative value is positive, modestly. So 1 upon a square plus 1 upon b square. Now the cross multiply, then this root is this side transfer, root 1 upon a square plus 1 upon b square. And now that side is a 1 upon p. P this side transfer, p this side transfer. So now squaring on both the side. Why? Square root को remove करने के लिए squaring on both the side. This side is square root cancel. Left is a 1 upon a square plus 1 upon p square equals to square of 1 upon p, that is a 1 upon p square. Hence proof. तो स्टूडेंट इस क्वेश्चन में दो फॉर्मूले इसके, इक्वेशन ऑफ लाइन इन इंटरसेप्ट फॉर्म. इंटरसेप्ट फॉर्म यूज क्यों किया? क्योंकि इंटरसेप्ट आर गिवन, ए एंड बी आर इंटरसेप्ट. एंड सेकेंड थिंग, नाउ अप्लाई डिस्टेंस फॉर्मूला. डिस्टेंस ऑफ अ पॉइंट फ्रॉम अ लाइन, या अदरवाइज ये बोल दीजिए लेंथ ऑफ परपेंडिकुलर फ्रॉम एनी पॉइंट टू द लाइन. नाउ दिस इज द सेकेंड लास्ट क्वेश्चन. नाउ 16 क्वेश्चन, and 16 again same question, right? Question number 16. Now the equation of line are given, and then there are two lines are given. So as the same formula. Now look here, question number 16. If the P and Q, if the P and Q are the length of perpendicular from the origin to the line, same diagram कि आपके origin से दो length of perpendicular है, one is the P and another is the Q, right? From the origin to the line and line there are two lines given. So first thing, that is a equation of line. Now equation of line, question number 16. Then equations of line are given. Equation of the given lines. Then x cos theta plus y sin theta. X cos theta minus y sin theta minus k cos 2 theta equals to 0. This is equation first. And same equation second, x sec theta plus y cos sec theta and minus k equals to 0. This is equation second. And now proving part is a p square plus 4q square equals to k square. So student, now look here, first thing, that is the same formula, distance, length of perpendicular are given, that means length of perpendicular from origin, that means 0, 0 to the line, first line, right? So now formula is t equals to ax1 plus by1 plus c upon under root a square plus p square and whole mod. Now look here, first thing, this is very simple कि distance formula आपके सामने, किसी point से किसी line पे distance find करनी है, then apply ax1 plus by1 plus c upon under root a square plus b square. Apply कैसे करते हैं? Distance is given, first line से distance given है p, right? First line की equation देखिए, x cos theta, that means cos theta as it is. x की जगह that is x1, और what is x1? x1 y1 is 0. So cos theta into 0 minus sin theta into 0 minus k cos 2 theta as it is upon under root a square plus b square. What is a? Is a coefficient of x, that means cos, and b is a coefficient of y, that means sin square. So this is whole mod. Now first term 0, second term 0, p square equals to, that is k cos theta, mod में negative is positive, and upon cos square plus sin square is 1, so that is p equals to k cos theta. Same formula कि then length of perpendicular from origin but to the line second. So formula distance is same formula. Now distance की जगह आ जाएगा is given q, that is a sec theta into 0 plus cos sec theta into 0 minus k whole mod upon under root a square plus b square. That means is a coefficient of x is sec square theta and coefficient of y is cos sec, that means cos x square theta. So q equals to first term 0, second term 0, left is k, and now sec square is a reciprocal of 1 upon right 1 upon cos, and cos x square 1 upon sin square. Now sin square cos square LCM, but LCM now in above side, that is only sin into cos, and then denominator in under root sin square theta plus cos square theta. And you know students, sin square plus cos square is 1, right? Now multiplied by 2. Why? Because this is identity. What is the identity of 2 sin theta cos theta? That is a sin 2 theta. So this is equation, this is value of q. But now proving part, and now taking left hand side, then left hand side is a p square plus 4q square. Then is the value of p is a k cos theta and value of q is a 1 by 2 sin 2 theta. So now is a p is a k cos theta and k square cos square 2 theta. And 4 as it is, value of q 1 upon 4 sin square 2 theta. That is a also word cancel now. Sorry, k is given, then k upon 2. So k square. Now k square is common, left cos square 2 theta plus sin square 2 theta. And you know student, sin square plus cos square angle is same, sin square 2 theta plus cos square 2 theta is the value is 1. class identity, then k square, this is right hand side. Hence, so p square plus 4q square equals to k square. So student, exercise 10.4 is complete. Now please solve miscellaneous exercise. Right, only question number 1 to 17. Thank you.